Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever flipped on a light switch and noticed your LED bulbs flickering like they're in a disco, you're not alone. In this video, we're tackling how to fix LED light bulb flickering in 2025 feet, a quick, straightforward guide to get your lights steady and bright again. Let's dive right in. First off, why do LED bulbs flicker? It's often due to a few common culprits. In 2025, with smarter homes and energy-efficient tech, issues like incompatible dimmer switches are still a big problem. These switches might not be designed for LEDs, causing them to pulse or dim unevenly. Another cause could be voltage fluctuations from your electrical system, especially if you're in an older house or area with unstable power. Don't overlook simple things like loose wiring or a faulty bulb itself. Even the best brands can have defects. Now, let's fix this step by step. Start by turning off the power at the switch or breaker for safety. Check your dimmer switch. If it's an old incandescent type, swap it out for a LED-compatible one. You can find these at any hardware store. They're affordable and easy to install. Next, inspect the bulb and fixture for loose connections. Tighten any screws or wires you see, but if you're not comfortable, call a professional. If flickering persists, test the voltage with a multimeter. Aim for a stable 120 volts in most homes. If it's dipping or spiking, you might need an electrician to check your wiring or add a voltage regulator. Finally, replace the bulb if it's under warranty or seems worn out. LEDs last long, but they're not invincible. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll banish that annoying flicker and enjoy reliable lighting. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.